Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on...
Hi, this is Deme B. I decided to book a solo vacation at midnight, flying standby, leaving 6 a.m. that morning, and this is how it went. So I packed, fixed my hair, didn't book a hotel, and headed to the airport. I had a small layover in Miami, like 45 minutes. So while I was in Miami, I booked my hotel. We're going to the Cayman Islands, and we're going to be staying at the Kempton Seafire Resort. So this normally goes for $1,500 a night, but I was able to use points and buy some points, so that way I can stay 3 days, get the 4th night free. So you don't need to pre-book airport transfer once you land. Just follow the signs for the taxi stand, let the guy know where you're going. He'll arrange your taxi, and you're here to your resort. I end up using the same taxi even to get back to the airport because he was so friendly and nice, and he was jamming. Listen. It took less than 10 minutes to arrive to my resort. I'm staying on 7 Mile Beach, and this is supposed to be one of the best beaches, so we gonna see. I got my welcome champagne. They upgraded my room to having a tub, like a soaking tub. I love a good tub, and the view is amazing. I don't mind having 2 queen beds, so I got one to throw my clothes on and one to sleep in, so that was perfect for me. Even though my original room, I had a king bed, this worked out much better for me in my solo vacation. So the plan, get cute and head to the beach. That's it. That's the vibe. Eat cute beach. Eat cute beach. Eat cute beach. The beach was gorgeous. Like, what did they say? If I cannot see in the water, I'm not getting in the water. The beach was amazing. No seaweed. Clean. Literally all I want to do. I'm going to go to sleep right now. And when I say use the amenities, I am going to use everything up. I got a tub, I'm soaking in it. It's a pool, I'm taking a dip. Everything. Y'all giving out a cocktail hour, free wine, I'm drinking it. I'm there for it. Everything that's included in these fees that I pay, I'm going to use. I did get to hit up one spot, K1 Lounge, for some oxtails. This was the most tender oxtails I ever had. And we stopped past the conch shell house. It's a house entirely made of conch shells. But we're heading back to the airport. Me hopping on my plane and heading back home.